This is a normal water bottle. Now Coca-Cola. So today I'm going to talk about this small cap manufacturing industries. Now this cap, I have not made a proper research, but it was a very long back research. So what this says is, I think I made this research in around 2021, before COVID 20. At that time, when I went to a Balanagar area to inquire about this industry of cap manufacturing, then one of the few traders and distributors and manufacturers were also there at the same time. So when I got, it was a 1 week regular follow-up, and then I came to know that this cap, basically if you see this cap, you usually know nothing very special about this. If you want to buy this in loose, making it short, so if you want to buy this in the loose, this cap you will get around 50 paisa to 1 to 2 rupees cost. But the cap, what actually contents they have is the branding, volume of the plastic mold, and the type of mold, inside or outside. It's called some technical term, embark that mold, and you have gripping, and you have sealing stitching. This, the seal, middle seal to seal the bottle, that one. You have the threads, you have interior bottle to cap sinking tightener of the liquid to not pass through the cap, that mold you have, and based on the bottle what you choose. And then you have the recycle symbol, maybe you cannot see in the camera, and you have batch number, you have what brand of bottle does it belong, that kind of, and it is also recycle. This written symbol for this is for consuming liquid purpose, not for petrochemical purpose. That symbol also is there. So these many things over here. So this cost will be, for you it will be around 2 rupees or max 2 rupees, okay. But in company, this is company rate, maybe 1 paisa, 50 paisa to 1 rupee the cost will be. But the cap to manufacture, I don't know, per day you can maybe you can make depending on the manual mold, you can make around 30 to 40 caps based on number of molds you have. I don't know exactly technically, but the mold which you have to design, that more single mold will take around 15 to 20 days, and it will cost around 3 to 4 lakhs, and you can make hardly 30 caps per day, probably, I guess. And if you take it in a technical machinery way, you will have to have CNC machines, computerized, automatic or manual also you have. So that production will be multiplied, which will be around 600 to 2000 caps per day. Sometimes wear out caps or accidental mistakes will also happen, so they have to again remold it and heat it up, heating process, and they have to recycle it again, and they again have to put it in the cap. So waste batch also will be there, good batch will be there. The lesser the speed of the RPM of the CNC machine, the more quality it gets. So obviously you can say around 1000 to 1500 caps per day for one CNC machine, and that can cost around manual without automatic, say maybe 40,000, and depending on the fork size or the CNC rotor size, customizable addition, all these kind of things, specifications, you can cost around 70 lakhs to 1 crore also. That means you cannot not even manufacture just a cap, but you can also manufacture the fans. You see that hub motor, that cup, that also you can manufacture in one single machine by adjusting the forks and accessories. This is the story of one bottle cap, manual mold and machinery mold. Electricity, I don't know how much it consumes, and the loan the company claims for one CNC machine is around 4 years as an average. 8 to 4 years, 10-year period, 4 years it will be given. Some people, depending on the production and demand, 10-year period also can be reduced to 1 year or 6 months, also depending on your fast production and number of more machines. Like that.